let's learn how you can unmute yourself on Zoom call. So let us start by opening our Zoom meeting. Now to unmute yourself, you'll just have to check up if you're muted right here. As you can see, my microphone is working right now, so just click on it. You can also check audio settings if everything is working. Here you can test speakers and test your microphone. Now, if you're a participant, maybe because host can forbid participants to chat on voice and they muted you. So if that happened, you can't unmute yourself. Just ask whoever hosts the meeting to unmute you. But if you're the host, just click this one button. So that's it. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.